Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
If you want to find out how you can create and run your very own automated affiliate blog with AI-generated content about any topic you wish, capable of earning affiliate commission 24/7, then watch very closely. You're about to discover the world's first ever app that lets you build 100% done-for-you automated affiliate blogs that get free traffic and turn it into affiliate clicks every day. It's a fully automated AI-powered system that lets even complete beginners build their first commission-generating website with a single click, even if you've never built a site before. People search online billions of times every day, and right now is a perfect time to own a site like this, because everyone is trying to save on everything, and they spend extra time looking for information, best deals, and expert advice. This is your chance to help people find the information they look for while guiding them to hot products through your affiliate links. And this is why I built this app. Introducing BlogMatic AI. This is a unique ChatGPT-powered software that lets you instantly build 100% automated affiliate blogs. The sites are filled with hundreds of helpful articles and affiliate product reviews with your links inside. And the best part is that AI does all of the work. It literally takes seconds to set these sites up. All you have to do is pick a name and a domain, decide which topic or niche you want to focus on, click one button, and that's it. Your site is instantly created and ready to attract free traffic, turning it into affiliate clicks 24/7. The software is using our custom AI model that was trained by studying thousands of top-ranking affiliate blogs on Google. It learned from the best affiliates how to write amazing content and become authority sites. And now, with just one click, you can pick any popular topic and have the app build a full-blown affiliate niche site that ranks high in search engines and ready to bring affiliate sales. Every day, your site automatically ranks higher in Google and Bing, reaching more people who are actively looking for information or needing help with deciding on the right product to buy. It's like having a digital writer and a salesman who never sleeps, constantly writing useful articles and showcasing the best products to the right people. This free traffic snowballs every day, while BlogMatic AI sites turn it into affiliate clicks. Click after click. All these pages on your site are optimized to show up in Google for very specific terms that people are typing into a search bar right this moment. And you don't ever have to worry about SEO, content, or writing a single line of text. You can literally build the site, pop in your affiliate IDs, and never touch it again. The software will work quietly behind the scenes, pulling free traffic and turning it into profits. So how exactly do these sites work? Every time somebody comes to a site, clicks an Amazon affiliate link, and buys, the site owner earns commission. With millions of products to choose from, the earning potential is enormous. Plus, Amazon's trusted brand name makes it easy to get people to buy from your links. You are literally 3 easy steps away from owning a 100% automated affiliate blog filled with hundreds of AI-generated articles. Step 1. Purchase the BlogMatic AI app. Quickly grab your account before the price increases. Please keep in mind that the price goes up every 60 minutes, so hurry up if you don't want to pay more later. Step 2. Log into the dashboard and create your site with a single click of a button. You can build affiliate blogs for 17 countries in 9 languages and thousands of popular niches. There are literally millions of possible combinations you can think of. Step 3. Enter your affiliate ID to instantly turn your site into an automated affiliate machine. With a single click of a button, you can instantly add a detailed product review for any product on Amazon. And that's it. Your job is done. This system works so well that we've seen our sites making their first affiliate sale within the first 2 weeks. If you go through all of the tutorials, do everything I show you inside the dashboard, and you still need help after 14 days, I'll personally work with you on your site through email. That's how confident I am in BlogMatic AI. If you're just starting out and want to build an automated affiliate site fast, then BlogMatic AI is for you. And just think about that. For less than most people spend on coffee every week, you can have a completely automated affiliate blog with AI-generated content. But it's not going to be priced this low for long. The price goes up every day, and after this launch ends, it will be priced at $97. So hurry up and lock in your best deal before it's too late. And if you try BlogMatic AI and need help with something, our dedicated support team will work with you through each step of the site building process until you're comfortable with it and your site is up and running. Or if you feel like the software is not for you, just send me a quick email within 30 days and I'll refund your entire purchase the same day. No questions asked. Whether it's 30 minutes or 30 days from now, for any reason whatsoever, if you want your money back, you can get it. Because I want to keep you as a customer only if you're 100% happy with my software. And I know that you're going to love it once you start seeing the results. The price will be going up without warning, so click the buy button below this video to get your account now.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching. And don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.